Kayla is crocheting hats for a charity. She can make 8 hats from 12 packages of yarn. Part A, how many hats can she make from 20 packages of yarn? Well, we'll start by setting up a proportion. We know that 8 hats are made from 12 packages, and the question is how many hats, so we'll call that X hats can be made from 20 packages. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll cross multiply, giving us 8 times 20, going down this way, and then down to the left equals X times 12. So I'll say 12X. 8 times 20 is 160. So 160 is 12X. Dividing both sides by 12, we get X is approximately 13.3. So she can make about 13 hats. Part B. How many packages of yarn does she need to make 20 hats? Well, once again, we know that 8 hats can be made using 12 packages. And now she wants to make 20 hats. So X packages can be made. So we'll let X be the number of packages. Multiplying down to the right, we have 8X. And then going down to the left, we have 20 times 12. So 8X then is 240. Dividing both sides by 8, we get X is exactly 30. So therefore, we know that it will require 30 packages.